Hi everybody! I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite Filipino dishes, ampalaya with egg. It's a nutritious and delicious recipe that's so easy to make. So I know some of you guys doesn't like ampalaya because it's so bitter, but you don't know there are so many nutrients and vitamins with this ampalaya. So ampalaya guys, it is low in calories and good source of vitamins and minerals. It helps our blood sugar control, also our weight loss, supports our skin health for the vitamin C and other antioxidants, and also boosts our immune system. So guys, for the ingredients and recipe for this ampalaya with egg, you just only need ampalaya, eggs, onions, garlic, salt and pepper, or any other seasonings you're prepared to, and also cooking oil. So for today guys, I'm so excited to eat this ampalaya since we purchased 1 kilo of ampalaya today, and lulutuin namin to lahat. Okay, bahala gawin sila pait ni siya, but for me it's not, because we have our secret recipe para mawala yung pait. Talagyan na ng asin para mawala yung pait ng ampalaya. Alright guys, let us go as we cook and prepare our ulam today, ampalaya with egg. Alright, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make ampalaya with egg. Let us eat, everybody. So, ampalaya with egg with mais na rice. Super yummy and happy eating, everyone.